Welcome to the learning resource on setting up cyber cafe and documentation center as a small business. In this lecture, you will get information on some of the important steps to open cyber cafe and documentation center and become an entrepreneur. This presentation covers the introductory part and basic concepts of setting up cyber cafe and documentation center. When we go to the market, we see such cyber cafes and documentation centers in our area. This presentation guides you to start your own business of cyber cafe and documentation center. Now, firstly, you should know that what is a cyber cafe and documentation center, how the term cyber cafe is defined. As we go through the provisions of the Information Technology Act of India, the term cyber cafe means any facility from where access to the internet is offered by any person in the ordinary course of business to the members of the public. Cyber cafe is a facility comprising of computers, internet connection, and other computing resources. So, as the owner of cyber cafe, you would be providing services of internet access to the members of the public, and the customers will be paying you for availing these services. Normally, these charges are based on time of usage of internet. A cyber cafe provide internet and data communication infrastructure to the persons. So cyber cafe business involves setting up of internet access and data communication infrastructure. The entrepreneur can set up such facilities in an appropriate space either owned by him or rented. In modern times, we see a growth in electronic services, that is e-services, the cyber cafes as the internet access points or the public interface terminals are becoming a viable business options. Some services like online job applications, online admission form submission, e-ticket booking, etc. are available on the internet. The cyber cafe owner can provide such facilities in his center also. The cyber cafe as a business became popular around 15 to 20 years back, especially with the emergence of private internet service providers. At that time, people used to visit cyber cafes for accessing emails and chat services. The internet bandwidth speed, however, was limited in earlier days. The initial setup cost for cyber cafe was affordable, keeping in view the advantages of this business. In modern times, the cyber cafes are providing variety of value-added services also, namely documentation services, printing, scanning, gaming, typing, binding, image editing services, etc. The penetration of broadband in households these days has increased, which has adversely impacted the business of cyber cafe. But due to provision of value-added services by the owner, the business is still advantageous. There are some important points that needs to be taken care by the entrepreneur entering into this business. In India, still a good fraction of population access internet from cyber cafes. That is why the cyber cafes are crucial element in the Indian internet infrastructure. Despite all these challenges, more than 30% of the Indians still access internet from cyber cafe, thereby making them crucial stakeholder in the internet ecosystem of India. With the growth of government to citizen electronic services, there is a bright future of cyber cafe and documentation center business. Usually, the customers visiting cyber cafes are students, working professionals, and young people. Studies have indicated that cyber cafes are regularly frequented by people between the age group of 15 to 24 years, and about 40% of the cyber cafe users are working professionals. Moreover, being open for long hours, 7 days a week, and their convenient location in the neighborhood makes cyber cafes easily accessible to one and all. All these aspects present a silver lining to this industry. With a bit of vision, focus on e-governance, customer insight, support and guidance, cyber cafes can easily transform from a mere browsing point to the most happening place in the neighborhood where people of all ages and walks of life come in and avail the services, be it birth certificates, education, travel, utility, entertainment, financial products, or other civic amenities. The cyber cafe and documentation center business essentially requires computer hardware, internet connection, local area networking, supporting software applications, sufficient comfortable space for customers, furniture, printer, scanner, photocopy machine for documentation center, laminating machine, binding machine, and other accessories. Providing a comfortable ambience, installing cafe management software, security system, legal software, etc. will help to make the cyber cafe secure, safe, reduce pilferage, make it easier to manage the cafe, and most importantly, legal. Associations like Cyber Cafe Association of India, CCAOI, are available and committed in their endeavor to provide cyber cafe fraternity with a platform where information and solutions on the latest developments, services, and best practices for the cyber cafes are available. In this presentation, introduction and basic concepts about cyber cafe and documentation center business were covered. Thank you.